Hello, my dear friends. In this video, we will do the complex of exercises, in combination of Qigong and eye training. I will show you what the true eye training is. Not when you move your eyes up and down, left and right, making circles. It's not working. I will show you what really works, for our eyes to see far and near. We will train the ciliary muscle, the only muscle that surrounds the lens and changes its shape. And when it's relaxed, we can see far very well. And when it's contracted, we can see near. And today we will try a combination of energy exercises and eye training exercises. So first of all, we rub our hands, and just do relaxing wash. Yeah. So we prepare our eyes for further work, and then for training. Then we also prepare ourselves for the energy work. Ideally, you could use the eye chart. Yeah, you can download it on internet, or you can use ours. If we arrange that, so you can download it also from us, or use just PDF. So you will need to use the eye chart. So depending on what kind of vision you are training, there will be an eye chart for far vision training or for near vision. For near vision, you will have to train at the distance of approximately 40 centimeters. From 40 centimeters, maximum 1 meter. Because if you have farsightedness or presbyopia, alte Sichtigkeit, or aging eyes, you will have troubles with looking at the small letters, and 40 centimeters can be too short, for you. So you can try maximum 1 meter. For those who cannot see far, your distance with the eye chart that we suggest to use, Schnellen chart, it will be 3 meters. But of course, if you have strong myopia, it can be a little bit, maybe not a little bit, maybe it's essentially near. Well, 2 meters or 1.5 meters. If you have -6, of course, it can be even 1 meter. So you need the eye chart. And first we also warm up our eyes and do the energy work. So we can isolate each eye independently or work with both eyes. In this video, I will show you just the demo mode. At the retreat, at the workshops, we usually isolate each eye with the eye patch. So the eye chart is behind the screen, or can be here, it doesn't matter. So I'm looking at the eye chart. I do the energy contact with the energy of the eye chart. And then when I inhale, I move the energy through the eyes to the brain. Inhale, exhale, the other way around. So what do? I activate energy flows, which are going through the eye to the brain and the other way around. So when I inhale, I take the energy and help it to go inside the eye to the back of the head, where our brain processes the information, um, coming from the eye nerve. So the light is going through the eye, and accumulated on the retina. Retina converts the light to the eye nerve signal, and then it goes through the eye nerves to the back of the head, where the brain processes this information. So we help it to happen. we inhale through the mouth, touching the top of the mouth with the tip of the tongue. Yeah, when we inhale and when we exhale. When we do that, we help the energy to circulate along the back middle channel and the front middle channel. These are two main energy channels that regulate our energy and control our blood pressure. Yeah, when the energy is too much in the head, yeah, the energy doesn't go down. Yeah, it should go down along the front middle channel. So it circulates from our anus along the spine to the head, then rounds these points, and this is the end of the back middle channel. And then here, where the front middle channel begins, yeah. And when we touch the top of the mouth with the tip of the tongue, the energy goes further. So when it's enough energy to goes up, yeah, and the same energy goes down, we feel fine, balanced. But if there's too much energy going up, but much less going down, our head feels overwhelmed, yeah, overloaded, yeah, hot head, yeah, um, too much energy, too much blood in the head, yeah, too many thoughts. And it could be the situation the other way around, when the energy doesn't go to the head, it's stuck somewhere, yeah, and then we have the blockage here or lower, and then we could about to faint. We don't feel enough energy in the head. So this is the low pressure situation. The previous was higher pressure, and here low pressure. So when we breathe through the mouth and touching the top of the mouth with the tip of the tongue, we help the energy to circulate healthy, yeah, and we also train not to have any pressure problems. So once again, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Then how we will combine it with the eye training. So we need to make a paper pipe. So we get just the blank paper, yeah, A4 format. Then we roll it, and we can use scissors to cut it a little bit and make the corners format. From one side, it's less than little finger. From the other side, it's a little bit bigger than a thumb. Yeah. The length of this paper pipe is approximately 20-25 centimeters, within this range. So how do we use it? We take it with a fist, not like this, not like this, because it's dangerous for the retina. It can cut like a knife. Yeah. So we hold it like this. Yeah. We use the patch or just cover one eye, and we look through the paper pipe and isolate the central part of the eye to be trained. So we're training the ciliary muscle. It starts working intensively. You can try it. Yeah. So we look through the paper pipe and try to focus on the eye chart, then without. Approximately 20-25 seconds. At the retreat, at the workshop, we are also using some complications. We're using the needles. We prick it with the needle, yeah, and focus on the needle because it's even more difficult, yeah. So we can combine it. So looking through the paper pipe without it. Also with the other eye, then without it. Yeah. So I do it relatively quickly, but you can do it, yeah, a little bit longer, yeah, because in this video I need to show you some demo mode, yeah. But of course you can make a pause and train a little bit, and then you can continue this video, yeah. So you train one eye, then the other eye. You can repeat it several times. Yeah. And you will see the difference. Yeah. So you will feel that your ciliary muscle will start work more intensely, for sure. There is one more way how you can make it even more intense. You can activate your low chakra. So you say, close your eyes, and you say, my low chakra, wake up, yeah. And then when we inhale, we move the energy to the head. Inhale, then concentrate the energy in the head with the closed eyes, and then slowly open the eyes and move the energy out of the eyes. Yeah, and we can repeat it several times. So, low chakra, wake up, and then you help with your hands to move the energy from your low chakra, yeah, from your kidneys along the spine to the head. You can also contract your anus. Yeah, it will also have the energy to move up. Yeah, and then we concentrate the energy in the head, and then we move. Then we open the eyes and move the energy out. Again, we are touching the top of the mouth with the tip of the tongue. And then again, so now our energy is boosted, and we can try to look through the paper pipe, then without it. Through the paper pipe, then without. And also with the other eye. Through the paper pipe, then without it. Through the paper pipe, without. Yeah. If you, after this exercise, you feel a little bit overwhelmed, your energy is going too high, you can do palming. So you rub your hands, close your eyes, yeah, and just put your elbows on the chair, on the chair, or sit on the floor, or on the table, yeah, and sit on the chair. And you stay in this position for not less than 10 minutes, from 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, and I guarantee that after this complex of exercises, you will feel energized, you will feel refreshed, and you will notice that you could have just over a sudden opportunity to see 1, 2, or even 3 lines below your working line. The working line that this is the line that you are normally able to read with one eye, for example. Yeah. So you will notice the improvements, but they of course they will be not stable because we've practiced just a few minutes. But you can try this complex, yeah, and if you like it, you're welcome to learn more at the retreat that will be very soon, and you are invited, yeah, to join. Yeah, it will be very interesting. We will combine the energy work approach with the eye training. Yeah, we will combine different exercises when we isolate different parts of the eye, different types of vision. We will also focus on the peripheral vision, which is extremely important for healthy eyes. So if you like to learn more and to get more skills, join our retreat, and we will see you very soon.